Hello everybody and welcome to my channel NetTechGadgets. Today I will be discussing and as well as unboxing a product from Portronics. It's a renowned company, so let us start. Portronics c-konnect 3-in-1 USB Type-C adapter and which supports 4K also. This product is a Chinese product and it comes with a 1-year warranty. With this product, you can project your Type-C supported MacBook, mobiles, laptop to a large screen of any HDMI port monitor like TV, projector, etc. This particular 3-in-1 Portronics c-konnect comes with USB 3 port which deliver super fast up to 5 Gbps data. It is also backward compatible with USB 2. It provides continuous charging to your Type-C devices, eradicating the low battery issue when projecting. This device mirrors all your videos, presentations through HDMI supporting projector, TV, etc. in 1080 HD or Full HD or 4K video quality. The weight of this product is 72 grams. This particular product can be connected simultaneously with 3 different gadgets at a time. Without wasting any more time, let's unbox this device. This is the product I'm unboxing. It is Portronics USB-C multipurpose adapter or 3-in-1 multipurpose connector, whatever you can say. It is Portronics c-konnect. This particular product supports HDMI port. It has a USB 3 and a charging port that is C-type. This particular product also supports 4K Ultra HD and a PD charger, and the data transfer in this particular product is 5 Gbps transfer rate or transfer speed, which you can say. This particular product is a super speed USB 3 and the transfer speed is 5 Gbps. The product is compatible, or you can say a backward compatible with USB 2 and USB 1 also. So this product can be used in any devices which supports USB 1 or 2 as well. The operating system which supports are Windows, Mac and Linux, and the connectivity it has, it's a C-type USB and it can connect to PC, tablets, mobile phone, etc., whatever you want. And the particular product comes from Portronics with a 1-year warranty. So let us unbox this product. So let me first cut the seal. This is the seal which I have to cut. This is the seal. Let me cut upon the seal.
Wal. Nah. 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 Nah.
I'm taking out the product. This is the product. This is the product which I bought. Let me take out the product. And this is the product. Let me see what else are there inside the box. A user manual, c-konnect USB-C multipurpose adapter user manual. This is a user manual. So let me keep it aside and let's see the product. So this is the product. Let me open up this. So this is the product, portronics. This is this type C port. Here is a cap, and this is the 3 output and input also. HDMI, USB 3 and C type. This is a charging port. This is a HDMI output, and this is a USB input where you can input your pen drive, hard drive, external hard drive, or other devices which has a USB option. And this particular type C you can plug in your mobile, in your tab, or in your laptop. The laptop which does not have HDMI out port. With this product you can cast your videos, your picture in a big screen. Just plug in this C type in your mobile or laptop, and from here you can directly connect your TV, projector, whatever it is, through HDMI, and you can see the particular event in big screen. This one is a USB port. If you connect this to your mobile or tab, and if you put your pen drive, your hard drive, or anything here, you can access the particular device through this C-type port in your mobile or laptop, etc., whatever it is. And this is for charging. When you are using these two ports simultaneously, you can charge the device which is connected in this C-type port. So this is the Portronics 3-in-1 connector, C-type connector, So I will be bringing a review of this, a detailed review of this very soon. This is just an unboxing video. So if you like this video, please comment and click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon for my early notification for my upcoming videos. And don't forget to click the like button. Thank you very much. C-konnect 3-in-1 adapter comes in a price of 1499 MRP, but I purchased it for rupees 999 in an offer deal.